Hey everyone, welcome to my latest episode. There's no need to feel discouraged if you're still wrestling with Excel functions. With over 450 available, it is understandable if the sheer number feels overwhelming, especially when you consider how one function can nest inside another. Turn your brain into a processing black hole. So in today's video, we're going to explore some key elements to help you become an Excel function master much faster. Based on my 10 years with Excel, 70% of tasks can be tackled with just one function. The remaining 20% often require combining a few, while the final 10% benefit on careful design workflow, where Power Query works wonders. So why functions? They're quick to develop, test, and implement. For small projects and one-off tasks, they are ideal for testing ideas, proposals, and shared discoveries. However, there are trade-offs. They lack security, are easy to manipulate, and can be challenging to follow later, even with detailed explanations. In other words, they can become very time-consuming and confusing. So for this demonstration, we will focus on tasks with specific purpose rather than complex projects. So first, we need to understand what is a function. Excel functions are data manipulators. With a defined logic, they take inputs to produce outputs. And remember, you can fine-tune those outputs with precise modifications. Excel functions can be teared down into three aspects: how, where, and what. How? This involves understanding the design output of your data. Do you want to alter text content, adjust the time and date formats, perform complex lookups based on multiple criteria? Without a clear goal, your efforts will be fruitless endeavors. For example, imagine realizing you can't filter a date column with the cell value, so you create a new column using the text function, but it doesn't work. This is because the issue isn't formatting, but the data type. Dates with wrong format are actually text strings, incompatible with text functions. Excel uses your computer's default date time settings, so ensure they align with your organization standards. The where part. Functions typically need inputs, usually from the same Excel file, either on the same or different sheets. A well-structured function prioritizes clarity. While cell locking, which is F4, is possible, I recommend against it due to its lack of clarity. By introducing tables and name ranges, you communicate your design clearly. If raw data requires additional manipulation, clean it first before feeding it into the function. So the final part, which is what. Consider what each function can do. They have many relatives within their families, and Microsoft has organized them efficiently. Some examples include sum, logic, tags, date and time, and lookup and reference functions. Before diving in, think about your desired outcome and goal. You might save time using ifs rather than a single if for specific tasks. One last crucial aspect is the fine-tune option, displayed in square brackets when IntelliSense offers function hint while you're typing. Always read these options carefully. A single oversight can cause major headaches for others, like omitting the range lookup argument when requiring an exact match. So let's wrap it up. Today, we explore the three core aspects of Excel functions: how, where, and what. Always ask yourself, what is my desired outcome for the data? What is my raw data located? What calculation do I want to apply to the raw data? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one.